Now, I know yesterday there was a little bit of confusion with Amazon. Some people actually got in. There were a couple that got in, and they actually sent me their sheets. I don't know how they were able to sell our put spread at $2, but they did. So if anybody is out there that got into Amazon yesterday, are you still in it? Because I want to help you manage that, and by managing that, we would just be exiting right now. Massive winner, we would be exiting right now. So is anybody in that? Good morning, everybody. Chandra, you sold the put spread yesterday? Okay, get out of it right now. You're going to be able to get out for next to nothing.